Hi, and welcome to another episode from mksenglish.com. I'm your host, Mark, and today's episode is introducing yourself at work. Let's get started. When you meet someone at work for the first time, it's important to be clear, polite, and confident. Here are some simple phrases. Listen and repeat. Hi, I'm. Hi, I'm. So for me, hi, I'm Mark. I work as a. I work as a. So for me, it would be I work as an English teacher. I'm from. I'm from. I'm from mksenglish.com. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. One more time. Listen and repeat. Let's try it together. Hi, I'm Lisa. I work as a project manager. I'm from Bright Tech Solutions. Nice to meet you. Great job, guys. Okay, so after introductions, we often make small talk. Simple, polite conversation. Here are some useful questions. How are you? How are you? Do you work in this department? Do you work in this department? How long have you worked here? How long have you worked here? What do you do? What do you do? And you can answer these questions like this. How are you? I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. For do you work in this department or how long have you worked here? You can answer with yes. I started last week. For something like what do? You can answer with I work in the finance team. I work in the finance team. Small talk helps you build good relationships at work. So here's a quick tip. Use a clear, friendly voice and smile when introducing yourself, even on the phone. Are you ready to speak English with confidence at work? This episode is just the beginning. If you found this lesson helpful, imagine how confident you'll feel after the full course. Join the Complete English for the Workplace course and learn how to start conversations naturally, speak clearly in meetings, write professional emails, handle phone calls and video meetings, and also make a great impression in any business setting. This is perfect for international professionals, job seekers, and anyone who wants to grow their career with better English. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Enroll now on mksenglish.com and start speaking English like a pro. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for listening to mksenglish.com. If you like this episode, share it with a friend or coworker, and remember, speak clearly, smile confidently, and keep practicing. See you next time.